Today I'm gonna create a very fast, very easy smoky eye using just eyeliner. Hi guys! Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Morgan. I am a professional makeup artist and a licensed cosmetologist. First up, I'm going to take this Sephora Jumbo Pencil. I'm gonna place a nice heavy line over my eyelid. Now I'm gonna wing out that liner just a little bit. Okay, so that's what it's looking like right now. Really messy. Now I'm gonna take a brush before it sets and blend everything out. I'm really working that black into my lid. I'm also really diffusing that harsh line at the same time. Now I'm gonna take that same eyeliner and put it a little bit on my brush and actually drag out the wing liner just a little bit more. All right, let's go ahead and pop on some mascara. I happen to have Too Faced. Damn girl! So that's what I'm gonna be using today, but you use whatever you have. So simple, so easy, but looks great and didn't take a whole lot of time. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my channel today. I truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, can you do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up? Also, if you enjoyed my content and you'd love to see more, please smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload videos weekly with makeup tips and tricks and beauty reviews. Bye!